It is so pretty. Look at that pretty sky. See that pretty sky? That is so pretty. I love God's earth. It's wonderful, beautiful, lovely, and it's raining on this beautiful day. How everybody doing this morning? Everybody's doing okay? Oh, excuse me. I miss everybody. I miss a lot of my loved ones that's gone to heaven or in a resting place. I want to say it like that, in a resting place to that day when everybody go to heaven. I notice we got it kind of bad when we say, oh, I know they went to heaven. Yeah, we want them to go to heaven. Yes, we do. But they in a resting place right now. And I know my family and friends, my own son, grandparents, mother and father, is in a resting place. Yes. So I miss them very dearly when it's around Christmas time. You know what? Holidays. Even if it's not a holiday, I still miss you. Yes, I do. Mwah. That's to y'all. Okay, gotta let you go. You know what time is it? I like my little red tree. I'm giving this tree away. I know who need a tree for next year. But I'm going to help her out. I got her back. Only could do so much. But I'm going to get another tree. A taller tree. I liked this size tree because I didn't want no tall tree. Not this year. But let me get over here and get something to put on my stomach early this morning and figure out little things I'm going to do around the house today. Peace and blessings. If you new or old, thank you from looking at my videos. I want to say welcome to my page. It is a new page. I ain't even been here a year yet. And I just want to say thank you to everybody. New subscriber, old subscribers. Please push thumbs up. And have a beautiful day and a lovable day. I pray for you. You pray for me. And prayer go up and blessings come down. Amen. Peace and blessings.